Hi travellers, I'm Anne's daughter Lusaka and welcome to Kafue in Zambia. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing as I post new videos every week giving tips and strategies that may help enhance your travel experiences. I'm here today just checking out the river looking for hippos and possibly crocodiles. I've just learned. That's why I'm standing behind a fence. It's driven here, so it's not far from Lusaka, just out of town through the toll gate. Maybe an hour and a half up the road. Let's take a look around.